Hey guys, Glen Murray Online. Happy July 27th to you. This is how to build an email list for affiliate marketing. This is for beginners, and I'm going to give you the tool. So stick around to the end so you don't have to waste a ton of time like some people wasted years trying to figure it out. So why do you need a list? Let's answer that. But first, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like videos on making money online and affiliate marketing, network marketing, all that kind of fun stuff, just different tricks and tips about making money online, and the things that I do that are generating income every single day. So how do you build an email list for affiliate marketing? So first off, before you say how, let's figure out, why do you want to build a list? Well, some people think email marketing is dead. It's not, guys. This is how, when you see a program launch, or you see people that are on the leaderboard or whatever, right? They have a large list. That is how they got there. They basically send an email out, and they go hard on their list, especially if it's a competition, right? So for example, I've actually been in some competitions where I haven't won a lot of them because I don't have the biggest list, but I've been on the leaderboard, and I've been on and if you look through you can look through my Facebook page or whatever, you can go find stuff on me. But I've been on the leaderboard. I've been on lots of things. Why? Because I used to own a traffic exchange, which I had access to, where I could mail totally. I have a viral mailer, right? I've got multiple lists from multiple programs that I've been in. Some of those lists I've let go, which I'm kicking myself for, and other ones I've hung on to. So I've got multiple lists that when I want to do a program, I'm actually doing one right now, a new ClickBank launch that I'm hitting pretty hard. So if you do sign up for my stuff, you're going to be getting that. It's a really cool e-service program. But why? So how to build a list? So why do you need to build a list? Because you need it. If you go into this is so cool. Why do you think when you join a network marketing company or an affiliate marketing company, if it's a good one, they say hook up your autoresponder so you get your leads into your autoresponder. And an autoresponder is just a program that sends a lot of emails at one time to your customers, and it'll fill out some of the fields for you, like, I'm sure you've seen MailChimp or that kind of thing, or there's tons of them. Aweber is one that I use, Get Response. SendShark is one that I use. SendShark is really good, actually, because you can get a ton of subscribers, and it costs you very little, and it pays a 50% commission when you refer someone for it. So I'm actually using that a lot more these days. But all these programs, they will get you to put put your autoresponder, so you're collecting a name, so you're building a list. Even most of the databases, when you join a direct sales or a network marketing company or whatever, they have a database that you can download, so you can download your customer base. What is it? It's a list. And how do you mainly contact those people? Is through email. It's crazy but true. So why do you need a list? Because list is basically your biggest asset as a marketer. Any program that you're in could go away, and if it goes away with all your customers, if you haven't built a list, then you don't have access to those customers to sell them into something else. So I want to show you this new tool. I've only been using it for I think it's just 3 weeks now, maybe 3 weeks and one day. I started using this, and it's a very cool list builder. Here, I'll show you. I'm going to show you wide open my stats, guys. I won't show you any of the emails I've collected, but I'll show you my stats. So this is basically the back office. So in 21 days or 22 days, I've earned almost $500. Today, 24. I've put 11 people on my team. That means I've put 11 affiliates into this. 9 are on my team, and 2 are passed up to my sponsor. This is really cool, and I'll get to that in a second. So these are the leads I've generated. 764 leads, guys, in 3 weeks. This is insane. If you have a downloadable PDF on your blog or something, you might get, unless you got a ton of traffic, you might get 10 to 15 leads a day from that PDF. More likely, you're going to get 2 or 3 a week. If you're sort of a beginner starting out, you might get 2 or 3. And if you're driving a lot of traffic to your blog, you might only get a couple of people subscribing to your list. So it's going to take you forever to get to 764. I've got 764, guys. 13 today, just today. So this is so cool. And where do those leads go? They go into my autoresponder. I also have access. Well, I don't want to show you the leads, but I also have access to all the information here. But the way that this system is built, it goes into my autoresponder. Now you're going, well, Glenn, you've only made $500 in 3 weeks. Like, where's the income? Aha! Let me show you my inbox, guys. These are commissions from that list that I've been accumulating, guys. These are commissions, right? So I'm building the list here, right? I'm building this list, but I'm marketing other programs to these people. Remember, out of 764 people, only 11 of them became customers here. So there's 753 leads on my list that haven't bought anything yet. And this is what I am marketing. Well, now they have because they've bought other stuff, but that's what I'm marketing other stuff to. And that other stuff, guys, there's excuse me, there's big ticket commissions in there. There's also big ticket commissions in here. And I'm waiting for a couple of those to go through because that would be amazing. But this has actually 3 income streams. And if so, what's cool is you actually, it has actually 4 income streams, which is really cool. So how does this work? Let me jump off here. Actually, I'll show it here. So this is my income for people signing up and buying into the program. It's a monthly subscription, or you can get a year subscription, right? Now they also, when they come in, they're recommended to use a autoresponder. And if they don't have an autoresponder they want to hook up, they're recommended to use SendShark because everything is already done for them in SendShark. So it's if I go here, if I go to Fast Start here, make sure the video doesn't play. All right, so seriously, this is how easy it is. 1, 2, 3. So get traffic. So what's happened here? Oops, multiple income streams. So you see, list leverage username. That's me. I'm an affiliate, right? So I'm an affiliate there. I've connected my autoresponder to SendShark. Make sure this is frozen there. Stop playing. Sorry guys, I just wanted to check something out there. Hold on a second. So basically, I'm connected here as an affiliate. I've connected my SendShark, which they've done all the back end work there. I just need to literally put in my username, and all I need to do is put in my username for a traffic authority. So the three income streams is basically this. It also is the SendShark, and it's also the traffic authority. That's the traffic. And this traffic, guys, this is the traffic that is actually converting for me really, really well. Like that's where these came from. So the traffic that they sell here, that you become a seller of, is really good. Now, what's this ClickCash stuff? So ClickCash is really cool. What they do is they repurpose. So they have access to the leads through the system. And what they will do is they'll keep sending offers back to the people, and they're going to pay us for clicks, just like if we were selling traffic. So today I made $120 on traffic that haven't bought anything from me, and I've made $480. And that's, remember, this is just 3 weeks, guys. This is just some passive income that's happening. There's people that are making $40 and $50 a day here. You know what that is? It's $1,200 a month, guys. That's like a mortgage payment. So hey, if you could handle an extra $1,200 a month for a mortgage payment, would you be into that? Say yes, hit comment, say yes, Glenn, that's totally cool. Okay, so how do you actually do this? Well, you just follow the steps. It's really, really simple. You set up the system, which literally takes, guys, it takes about 10 or 15 minutes. You've got the system set up. It's all done for you. Like, they've automated everything. And then you basically go and purchase traffic, right? and that traffic converts, and just let the traffic come in. Now, I do other things. I do YouTube, right? So YouTube comments, I have a link that I use, and so I'm using YouTube to promote it. I'm also using Facebook groups, and if you look at the video that's going to be here, it's going to be one of the first. There's going to be 5 videos here. The first one, it will be about how to make money from Facebook groups. Go watch that, and you will see how I'm promoting this in Facebook groups and getting I'm getting signups. It's amazing. It's so cool. I should actually show you that just so you can see where I won't show you the emails. Let's see if I can do this without showing the. Okay, yeah. Here, I'm going to show you this. Okay, so this is my list of leads in here, and this is from the groups. This is from basically, this is the back office. You'll see it when you join. So Facebook group, that's the campaign, right? So, Traffic Authority, those are all from Traffic Authority. Facebook groups, YouTube comments. This is a GVM offer. This is a solo ad that I've got going. Traffic, right? Facebook group. Guys, these are people signing up from Facebook, from Traffic Authority, from solo ads, from Facebook groups. And guys, there's so I don't want to show you the emails, but there's pages and pages of it. So that's what I'm talking about. If you want to learn how to build your basically, build how to build an email list for affiliate marketers, is for beginners, you need to just click the link below and follow the steps. Now, what I was saying at the beginning is we all start out with best intention that we're going to make money. And the first thing we do is we go find an affiliate link and we go blast that affiliate link out. And it's the biggest waste of time you can do. It's the biggest waste of time. Don't do it. Start building a list. And because think about it, when you start building a list and you start getting these people on your list and you've got a list, someone's gonna pop up an offer and put it in front of you, and they're gonna say, wow, if you have 1,000 person or an 800, 1,000 or 2,000 person list, if you send this to them, this series of emails, you're going to get sales. And you go, cool. So then what you do is you get their swipe, right? Now remember, what's cool is that you're not just sending an affiliate link out that you're not collecting a name. You're sending an affiliate link to your list. You're not losing that list. They may go buy that product and get on that person's list. That doesn't matter because they're still on your list. You can still market to them. You can still send them stuff. You want to build a list, and then you want to build your own product. That list can be your affiliates. They can be your sales. And this is why you need to build a list as a beginner. You have to be building a list. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. This is how you're going to basically do it. And when you talk to you go anywhere and watch the affiliate programs, or go to any website. The first thing that website's going to do is ask you for your email. Why do you think when you go into a store and buy something, they ask you for your email? Whenever you go anywhere, they're going to ask you for their email because they want to market to you, because they know it's the least expensive, most efficient way to market to you. Better than TV, better than Facebook, better than YouTube, all these things, because it's direct contact. And when you create rapport, nothing can beat it, guys. So that's how you build it. So I want you to go ahead and click the link below. I'm going to throw some other links down there, and you can see some other funnels where how I'm collecting emails in different ways for other programs. But guys, I'm focusing everything on this one because this is kind of like the perfect way to get a lead in. And then I'm able to then, like I said, like I showed you in my email, repurpose it. I can send them this offer, right, for another program. I can send them an offer for this program. I can send them an offer. I can send them a ClickBank offer. And I'm going to keep sending it to them. Okay, now here's this thing. So many people go, whoa, don't they unsubscribe if you send them too many emails? Fine. Go get more leads. Right? There's no point having someone on your email list that isn't going to buy anything. So if they unsubscribe, you don't want them on your email list. They're doing you a favor by getting off your email list, right? That's the whole thing. They don't want to be on there. You don't want them on there if they're not going to buy, right? If you're compelling enough and you create it and send them content and send them good programs that they're interested in, they're going to keep looking. They're going to be looking for your emails. right? If you send them like if you send them a bunch of crap offers, they're not going to buy it. But if you send them something that's valuable, like, hey, here's a free training for this program. Yeah, the program's $50 a month, but this free training is awesome. Go check it out. You're like, oh, cool. Then they check out the free training. Like, wow, that's really good. I don't have $50 a month, but man, that sounds like a great program to be in. I'm gonna watch what Glenn sends me next time. Hey, check this out. You can go do this 15-day training for $9. How would you like that? Oh, wow, that's amazing, right? So they're gonna be looking for you. So you want to make sure that the programs that you're going to be sending them are high caliber programs, and your email list is going to thank you. Those people are going to, because they got on your email list because they're looking for a way to make money online. You're doing a disservice if you're not offering them a way to make money online. That's why they're on your list. Like, that's the whole reason they're on your list. So when you go, oh, I don't want to email my list too much, then you're doing a disservice. Like, why do you, they joined your list because they want to make money online. So send them information about making money online. It's that simple. All right, guys, click the link below. I'm here to help you. Like, message me, drop a message below if you're a newbie. If you are just starting out and you haven't started building a list, say, I need a list now. Just type in, I need a list now, and we'll get you started and we'll get going on this. Okay, guys, have a great night. Cheers.